Okay, hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing my alarm system demonstration board, done. I did a video before when it wasn't done. It was just, I kind of had it laid out and powered up to show that it did work. As for the siren for this unit's being currently used on something else, so instead I have a multimeter right there that'll be showing so I can show that it truly is outputting 12 volts. I've already pre-armed the system. Here's the key fob right here, because it takes a little bit to arm. Also, for the shock sensor, I'm going to be setting that off first and then I have to disconnect it because when I do my switches for the doors and stuff, a lot of times it'll set the shock sensor off too. So, first we'll do that. You see, lights are flashing, it's clicking. And then, there we go. You see as it flashes there, it's outputting voltage to the siren there. Okay, let's push the unlock, turn it off, lock, rearm. And now, okay, now I gotta disconnect the shock sensor here. Okay. So you see here when it's actually, at first I was going to disarm for starter kill. So if I put my key in the ignition right now, and because now that it's disarmed and turned, you hear that click? That's the solenoid. This is a lawnmower solenoid. You hear that clicking. That's what's engaging the starter. You also see that. But now if I arm that, now I see the lights on. Now I see it flashing. And if I put my key in the ignition, turn it like that, you don't hear the click anymore because it disarmed it, that thing right there. So now that it's armed, now we're gonna try out our. I think we've waited long enough. Let's try out the first switch. This switch right here. These two are for opening. No, actually. Those two, this would be the brake light, these two doors. So let's do the first one with the door. That sets it off. Disarm here. Rearm. And then we have to wait about a few more seconds here and for it to arm itself. Okay, I'm pretty sure that's long enough. Now let's go ahead and attempt to flip this. There we go. The brake light's on, and that would be like stepping on the brake pedal. That triggered it. Now let's do the last switch, which is simply going to be that one there for. It'd be that one there for the door. That'd be the other door. Go down. Oh, we gotta wait a little bit. I forgot. Lights flashing. Should be good now. Flip it. There we go. See. Voltage go on the siren. Let's go ahead and disarm here. That's gonna be about the. Oh, by the way, this is being powered by that power inverter over there. This is gonna be about the end of this video. If you want this alarm system for your vehicle, you can find the system at everestparts.com for it's like $38, I think, or it's something like that. If you want it, you can go buy it from there. And as always, as always, I will see you next time.